What's going on, Gainsters? Welcome back to another YouTube video and another episode of Cooking with Jenny. Today we are making cottage cheese banana bread. Zoe is my sous chef, but she's sitting down because she's still recovering. I was gonna say broken, but you're not broken. What do we do first?
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Preheat the oven, 350 degrees.
And we should grab a pan and grease it, but we'll do that after.
I need a pan.
Bowl.
I need a pan.
What are you gonna bake it in?
A pan? Don't you bake it in like a
bread pan? A bread pan?
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a dish.
Get yourself a bowl.
A bowl.
A big bowl.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Mash the nays. Ugh. If you couldn't tell by now, I'm not much of a baker. Ugh! I hate banana. Ugh! Oh my god. I'm gonna mash 4 very ripe bananas. Mash, mash, mash. Bananas are mashed. 1 cup of cottage cheese. And we are not skimping out here, folks. This is pure Vermont maple syrup. Best of the best. 6 tablespoons.
And then 1 1/3 tablespoon of the paste.
I love maple syrup. I love it so much. 1 tablespoon of this? It's a lot. Just a big one.
A nice little overflowing.
You might be tempted to taste vanilla bean paste. Don't do it. I've done it. And I know how bad it is, and I still want to taste the measuring thing.
Whisk, whisk.
Whisk, 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 whisk. The original recipe we found called for almond flour, but we didn't have enough of that. So we're gonna use regular flour. How many cups?
5.
5. 2.
Ooh, optional mix-in is chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Now be careful with it. You gotta like squeeze the 2 together.
2 teaspoons.
Correct.
1. 2. Did you ever do the cinnamon challenge?
No. I didn't in the hospital.
I've never done it. How many? 4?
4.
Whisk, 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 whisk. She's thick, so we're adding a little bit of milk. Best part.
Chocolate chips.
From the chocolate chip master. That was a lot. I guess it wasn't really that much when I think about 2 loaves of banana bread.
Or 2.
Oh, that's it?
That's it. And
Spray in the pan so it doesn't stick. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's a max tuning special. Chocolate chips on top. Well, the amount of chocolate chips I've added to it, it's kind of lost its health. This is what we're working with. 2 hefty loaves of banana bread. We're gonna pop these in the oven, pop, pop, for 50 minutes. And at the 30-minute mark, we're gonna cover them with tin foil so they don't overly brown. See ya in 50 minutes. Banana bread is done, and they're monstrous. Let me show you. I feel like I should play the Minions banana song. Look at how good this looks. So we're gonna do the official taste test. Do you want an end piece or a middle piece? Me too. Here, we'll split this.
We're trying this.
Oh.
You have high hopes.
Looks a little dense.
Well, so are we.
Do you just want
Should we bite it like
at the same time? Okay. I want this bite though.
Rude.
Ready?
Ready? Oh, sorry, bro, I just hit you. For healthy banana bread, not bad.
It's not very sweet.
It's very cinnamon-y.
Very cinnamony.
Kind of dry.
Uh-huh.
Randy, we did substitute regular flour or almond flour for regular flour. If I could drink milk, this is milk.
So what do you give it?
4.
Really? Just a 4?
Maybe a 5. Like, I would eat it, but it's not my first choice.
I feel like...
Going like 6?
No, I feel like you're right with your... I feel like it is a 4, which is unfortunate. Because we made 2 big loaves.
I didn't say I wasn't not going to eat it.
True.
Some butter in
With
there?
some butter? Butter makes everything better.
Bon appetit.
Bon apple teeth. Ta-da! The newest addition to the Yarmouth High School athletic training and strength and conditioning programs. Zoe and I's own mini fridge.
For free.
For free. Rooks, one of the co-owners of CrossFit Yarmouth, was getting rid of the little Fit Aid drinks fridge and offered it up to me, and of course I said yes. It's because Zoe and I have been wanting to get a fridge for this space anyways, because we spend so much time here, so it'll be good to keep electrolyte drinks, but also just our food. Because lately I've been keeping it in the ice maker where kids get ice for their injuries.
We also technically have a spare microwave.
Do we really?
Yeah, our porch, because our
True.
microwave is ours.
We could bring that in.
And we could bring it in and put it on top. And then it's a one-stop shop.
We're gonna have a whole setup. So I already took one sticker off the side, and I'm gonna take this Fit Aid sticker off the side. It'll be cool to get a bunch of like Main Gains sticker, just like in like our stickers, like BPN and like I don't know, UNE, Beantown, all that stuff, and just
ISU
sticker ISU, Yarmouth, stickered up. Arm. Right now we are figuring out where we're gonna put it. You think it'll fit right there?
I don't know. You're the muscles in this operation.
It's a perfect fit! It's cleaning week at the high school gym, so my workouts are going to have to be at CrossFit Yarmouth, which is not a big deal, but right now, when I normally am coaching at the high school, there's a class going on at CrossFit Yarmouth, so I'm trying to be more efficient with my time, and I thought, what better way to train than on the turf on a beautiful day. I'm actually really excited for this. I love doing my speed sessions on the turf. Haven't really had the chance to do that really all summer since Zoe kind of had surgery, just because when she's working out, she needs someone, me, there to help her, and I don't mind, and I can do all my stuff inside in the gym, but sometimes it's just good to like get out in the open and do some really big sprints. I kind of am wrapping up my general warm-up, just doing like regular old stretches that you would do in a dynamic, and then I started to do some sprint drills. Gonna do some broad jumps and acceleration work before I get into my max velocity, top speed stuff. We've got different lines here to work with. We got this black one, the blue one, and the yellow one, going from a wider curve to more narrow. So we'll start off on the black one, probably just do a half curve, and then we'll work our way in to make it tighter. Thought about timing the curve sprints, but I don't want to have to move the sensors more than once. I really enjoy curve sprints, very useful. Oh, I'm winded, especially on rugby when you're trying to like take the edge. So I like including those, especially as like a warm-up or a build-up to my accelerations or my top speed sprints. Acceleration is one of my weaker points, so trying to work on that. Next up, we have some sled sprints. I'm gonna pair that with wickets. There's only 30 pounds on the sled, so I should be able to get going. I do have my GPS monitor on, a lot of tech going on. See what my max speed is at the end of the session. Let's see, I've done 7. I might do, it's 10:20. I'll do like 1 or 2 more. See if I can hit a PR, and then I'll just go to the gym and do like 2 leg lifts and then go home. 1, I'm hot. 2, I'm hungry. 3, I'm tired. Little mid-session power up. I actually ended up hitting 17 miles an hour. So it was a productive speed session, but I just wanted more. Like, I didn't feel the fastest I've ever felt, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just getting frustrated because my acceleration sucks, always has. It's gotten better, but it needs to get even better. Yeah, I did 2 kind of warm-up sets at 125, and then this is my second set at 165. I'm not really meaning to jump, it's just kind of happening. Okay, I messed up. That set was 275, or 175, and I think this is 215. Last set at 215. Dropping Zoe off at physical therapy, and I'm going to end the video here because the next one is going to be the Can-Ams vlog. Very excited for that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do the whole like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.